Today we discuss 10th class 7th chapter coordinate geometry. Actually, this is the horizontal line, this is the vertical line. X dash is the horizontal line, y dash is the vertical line. X dash is the x axis, this is the x axis. Y dash is the y axis. In the plane divided into four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, this is the x, this is the y. X plus y plus. In first quadrant, suppose example 2, 2 is the first quadrant. So two are places. 1, 2 is the first quadrant. 1, 4 is the first quadrant. Next, second quadrant. X minus y plus. Example minus 1, 2. Next, third quadrant. X minus y minus. Example, the point minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 5. Any one is the third quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x plus y minus. Suppose 1, minus 3 is the fourth quadrant. Okay, na? This is the x dash is the x axis. Another name is the x axis or abscissa. AB, SCI, SCC, abscissa. Next, y axis or ordinate. Another name is the ordinate. Next, the distance between O, this is the origin, O, coordinates 0, 0. Origin, this is the origin O, OX, OY, OX dash, OY dash. O is the origin, this is the origin. Coordinates, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, 0, 0. Next one point P, x, y. P, x, y. The distance between O, 0, 0, P, x, y is OP equal to root of x square plus y square. This is the figure, ma. Suppose here one point P. P is the one point. Coordinates x, y. Find the distance OP. OP. Find the distance OP, ma. You find first OP. Here one point is the Px, y. This is the x distance, ma. This is the x, y. This is the x distance. This is the y distance. X, y means this is the x. This is the y. Understand? OA equal to BP. Okay, na? Same distance. OA equal to BP. So this is also x. OB equal to AP. Okay, na? Same distance. Y. Suppose P is the one point, ma. Any point, one point. Find OP. O x 0, 0. P x, y. P x, y means here x coordinate x, y coordinate y. X coordinate x, y coordinate y. Okay, na? X. Suppose here 1, 2. X is 1 distance. 2, y is 2. Here y equal to BP. Here x, here x. Here y, here y. Okay, na? Understand? Find OP distance. O 0, 0. P x, y. Okay, na? Suppose this is the right angle triangle. OAP is the right angle triangle ma. This is the right angle triangle OAP. Already we know that hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Already we know that in 8th class, 9th class. OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. Here OP square in right triangle OAP ma. OAP right triangle. OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. Here OA distance x, OP distance, AP distance. OP distance find, AP distance ma y. OA distance x, here OA square x square plus AP distance y, so y square. OP square equal to x square plus y square. OP equal to root of square root of. Here one formula, x square equal to a implies x is equal to plus or minus root a. X equal to plus or minus root a actually formula. Here OP equal to root of x square plus y square. Understand? O 0, 0 coordinates ma. P x comma y. The distance OP equal to root of x square plus y square. Very important ma. Formula important too. Same. Next another ma. The distance between P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is PQ equal to. Here one point origin, one point PXY. Here 2 points ma. P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula ma, important formula. See the figure ma. This is the x axis, this is the y axis. You find PQ ma, PQ distance, this distance ma, before OP distance. Here the distance between 2 points P x1 y1, x1 comma y1, Q x2 comma y2. Here now find PQ distance. Formula x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. How to write ma? Just listen ma first. Here O, here O ma, origin 0, 0 coordinates. P x1 comma y1, x1 comma y1, Q x2 comma y2. We understand all of you. Before triangle OAP. Now triangle PQR ma. Now triangle PQR. Suppose ma P x1 y1. Here x coordinate x1. This distance x1 ma. This distance x1. Next ma y coordinate y1. This only this distance y1. Understand? P x1 y1 means this distance x1 y1. Same, both are equal. Here both are equal. This is the x1, this is the y1. This is the x1, this is the y1. Understand? Next Q ma. Q x2 y2 na. Draw the lines ma. Here x coordinate is x2. Total x2, total ma. Total x2. Total x2 distance. Y coordinate y2 na. Total ma. Total distance. Total distance y2. Y2 is the, here also same. Total distance ma. Y2 total distance. Understand? This is the total distance x2. This is the total distance y2. Now this distance x1 ma, only this distance x1, total x2 na. Now this distance total x2 minus x1. This is the this distance ma. This distance. Total x2 minus x1. This distance ma. Next. Total y2. Total y2. Next ma. This distance y1. This distance y1. This y1. This one also y1. This distance ma. Only this distance. Total y2 ma. Total y2 minus y1. Total y2 actually. This distance y1. This one y2 minus y1. This distance x2 minus x1. This distance y2 minus. This one also, this one same. This one x2 minus x1. This one y2 minus y1. In right triangle, all of you ma understand. Right triangle ma, PQR. PQR is the right triangle ma. Right angle at R. Hypotenuse ma. PQ is the hypotenuse. This is the right angle. PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. PR equal to x2 minus x1. Total x2 minus x1. This is the x2 minus x1. This one is the same. This QR distance. Total y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1. PR square ma. x2 minus x1 whole square plus square. QR distance y2 minus y1. Square. This is the PQ square ma. PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the very important ma. This is the very important. Total distance x2. This one x1. This distance x2 minus x1. This distance also equal to PR x2 minus x1. Total y2 ma. Total. This distance y1 ma. This distance y x1 y1. This one also same. Y1. This distance is the total y2 minus y1 is this is the right angle triangle. PQR. Right angle at R. PQ. Already we know that ma. PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. This is the formula important ma. The distance between O 0, 0 P x, y is square root of x square plus y square. The distance between 2 points ma. P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.